Now for this one I really am going to make a super quick card. I've got all the elements already prepped, ready to go. All we need to do is assemble it, and we can show you how you can actually use the stamps on their own to create a really nice card as well. Really bright and cheerful for this one just here. So what we're then just going to do is, if I then just bring you from up above, so then what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to bring in one of the card blanks. Now what I've just done, so this one is your 4x6, so it's kind of like an A6. So what I've done is I've just chopped down the middle, just down there, so it gives you kind of like a half fold just there. Then what I'm going to do is I've taken two of the actual papers that come within the box as well, and then kind of on this like deep yellow, what I've then done is I've also just taken the butterfly. So I've taken the butterfly from this one here, and then I've also brought in the Honey Pot quick dry ink pads. So I've just randomly stamped the butterfly several times to create my own background. So then what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to add my adhesive all the way around, and we're just going to tape that over the top. So if I just place that into place, and then again over the back, we're just going all the way around with the adhesive, and then we're going to bring in our card blank, and that's then just going to go over the top just like that. So that's then kind of like the inside of your card. Then what I've also done is I've cut a couple of same coloured strips that are then just going to fit on this side, and also on the yellow one I've just randomly, using the Honey Pot, stamped some of the butterflies over the top. So we're then just going to add all that adhesive onto the back, and that's just going to then just go into place just like that. Press that on, and then what we're then just going to do once again, add in the adhesive and placing it on. So as that just goes into place like so. So then what I've also just done is I have then, just using the butterfly die, I have then just die cut the butterfly die using the die as well as the white paper. And then what I've done is again using the butterfly, but using Honey Pot and also using the orange quick dry, I've just stamped one half of the butterfly. So it's a wee bit like of a double ombre effect, just like that. Then on this side I've just stamped Just to Say, which also comes with on the stamp set. So for this one here, what I've just done is I've just stamped the Honey Pot first, and then I've gone over the edge with the orange, and then that's how it gives you the ombre effect. So then all that I'm just going to do is just bringing in a foam pad. So let's just snip a bit of foam off of there, and then we're just going to add that to the back of the butterfly, and then peeling that off, we're then just going to pop that just to the side like that. Then what I'm going to do is within your subscription box, what you also get is all these pre-die cut sentiments. So again, using the same colour of ink pads, I've just coloured the hello, and I've just popped it onto a bit of white paper, and then I'm just matting and layering it onto the coordinated papers as well. So for this, I'm just using my tape runner. So onto the yellow card, and then onto the orange. So placing it on, and then what I'm then just going to do is bring in another foam pad, and then we can just add that to the back, peeling it off, and then we can just place that either in any way that you want. So let's go at an angle, because I like to have that angle flowing all the way down. And then what we can do to finish off, just bringing in some of these gems, bringing in my pokey tool, and then all that I'm just going to do is just do a large one there, then a medium on top, and then a small on top of that one, and then do exactly the same. So on the top right hand corner, do a large one, do a medium one, and then just do a small one to finish it off. And then that is your super quick. You would of course take a wee bit of time to actually create the elements, but that just shows you really quickly how you can create a really nice card, and a nice small sized one, just to say hello, or you're thinking of someone, or congratulations. And that's using the stamp as well as all of the papers, as well as the dies. And then just to show you just a wee bit close up, you can see just there how that then looks. And then bringing in some of the other ones that we've already done. So you can see there with the embossing folder, and then a few other ones just here. So this is all the different things that you could be making. So that's using the outline dies, again using the outline die just there. Then we've used the outline die again, but with this one what we've done is we've paper pieced it. So we've paper pieced all these elements all into place that we can see just into there. And then last but not least, again, we've just placed it white straight onto colour. So a lot of different things and a lot of different ways that you could be using your Outline Die Craft Kit subscription box.